Unimatic, the Italian brand known for its rugged minimalist tool watches, just did something bold. For its latest release, it's trading stealth for speed. And the result is a classy, racing-inspired stunner. Meet the Unimatic X, the Armoury Modello 5 10.15. Created to celebrate two anniversaries, Unimatic's 10th and the Armoury's 15th, this limited edition reimagines the brand's smallest tool watch, the 36mm Modello 5, with a burst of vintage racing energy. Instead of Unimatic's usual muted tones, you get a matte white dial, bold red minute track, and checkered racing accents inspired by mid-century motorsport chronographs. Even the hands are skeletonized in red, perfectly matching the Armoury logo at 6 o'clock. And while it's playful and colorful, it still feels pure Unimatic, clean, functional, and unmistakably Italian. Each watch includes both a bright red quick-release TPU strap and a black suede option for when you want to tone things down. Under the hood, you'll find the Sellita SW200-1B automatic movement, a domed sapphire crystal, and a solid 300 meters of water resistance, all packed into a case that's individually numbered and engraved to mark both brands' anniversaries. Limited to just 120 pieces, the 10.15 is priced at $1,520 on Unimatic's site or $1,500 at the Armoury, and yes, they're going fast. So, what do you think? Has Unimatic just pulled off the perfect blend of tool watch toughness and Italian flair? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more watch stories like this.